So in this video, we're going to be working with another transformation. This one is dilations, right? So the dilation, we're going to enlarge or reduce uh, the preimage, right? So if the scale factor is greater than 1, then it's an enlargement. So that means that we have the preimage right here, and we're going to enlarge this. So it's going to be, of course, greater than that, and my scale factor is going to be 4 divided by 2, so in that case it's 2. The same with the reduction is that if the scale factor n is between 0 and 1. So for example, this one, as you can see, is a little bit smaller than the factor. So let's see this, right? Let's start with the point. So it says I want to have a dilation of 2 about the region. So that means that I have an enlargement. What I'm going to do here to get my new point, so to Leo prime, I'm going to multiply each number each coordinate times 2. So this is -4, -2. So -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2. This is my W prime. The next one is a dilation of 1/4 about the region. So that means that we have a reduction. So again, L prime is -1 times -1/4, so it's -1/4. And 5 times 1/4, so it's 5/4. In this case, we're going to approximate those values. So 1/4, -1/4 is around right here. So it's around right here. And then 5/4 is positive 1.25. So the point is to go somewhere around here. Right. My next one is going to go 1.5 above the range. So again, I'm going to multiply. So G prime is 2 times 1.5 is 3. And 3 times 1.5 is 4.5. So we're going to find that value. So 1, 2, and 3. And then 1, 2, 3, 4.5 is around here. Just G prime. See this with a triangle. So I wanted an enlargement. So the relation of 2. So H prime. Again, I'm multiplying both of them in times 2. So it's 4, 4. G prime is -4, -2, and I prime is -4, -4. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is I prime. -4, 2. So 1, 2. Right there is G. No, -2. So -4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. This is G prime. And then H is 4, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And H prime is right here. So that way I have my dilation. So this one, I have a dilation of 1/2. So I'm reducing this. So I'm multiplying everything times 1/2. So this is 1/2 and 3/2. This one, R prime, is going to be -1/2 and -1/2. And then T prime is going to be 1, -1. Right? So T prime is 1, -1. This is T prime. Then S prime is 1, 1/2, 3/2, so somewhere around here. S prime, and then -1/2, -1/2, so somewhere around here. So that's R prime. And right there, I have my reduction. As you can see, is smaller than the preimage. Now, this one I want to go 1.5 above the region. So that means that J prime 1 is 1 times 1.5, and 2 times 1.5 is 3. Now K prime 2 times 1.5 is 3, 3. Then L prime 0 times 1.5 is 0, negative 1.5, and then I prime is negative 1.5, negative 1.5. Right, so J prime is 1.5, so 1.53, 1, 2, and 3. J prime goes right there. K prime is 3, 3, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 right here, right here, K prime. Then 0, negative 1.5, so 0, negative 1.5 is right here, that's L prime, and negative 1.5, negative 1.5, so 1.5, 1.5 is somewhere around here. And here I have my image. And that's it for this lesson. May the fourth be with you.